Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to get gold notes on Instagram. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open this one right here, and we're going to go ahead and check it here. The gold note was actually done in relation to the Paris Olympics. Now, it has been a few weeks since the Paris Olympics is done, so we are not getting it anymore. But what you should do in order for you to get it is just write few words related to Olympics. For example, go get the gold. And then I'm going to go ahead and add this emoji right here. And then supposedly if I'm going to click the share button, what is going to happen is that instead of black, this should have been a gold. Now, the problem is, again, Paris Olympic is already done, so we're not getting it anymore. However, Instagram updated this one, and there are a lot of trigger words that you can use in order for you to get something else. I mean, different color for this notes of yours. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click here, and then I'm going to click leave a new note, and I'm going to go ahead and try here, taste my espresso, please. Something like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and click the share button. So as you can see, it somehow changed. Now, instead of that regular black notes balloon that you are going to see, now you are seeing it blue. Now, that is actually because there are 3 trigger words that you can see here. Number 1 is going to be taste, the second one is espresso, and the third one is please. So that is a reason why we are able to change this balloon here into a different color. So yeah, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope you learned something from this video.